If your chatters are doing a shit job, then you have done a shit job training them. You can't expect to just hire chatters and them to be absolute guns straight away, especially because most people think that the way to sell is just by spammy being cliche when you're messaging the subs. And if they don't purchase, then most people think that you just continue following up by harassing them, but it's actually counterintuitive because less is more. If a sub doesn't purchase, then you simply ignore them, and about 99% of the time you will actually convert that sale just because they know now that if they don't purchase, they don't get the model's attention. If they do purchase, they do get the model's attention. But anyway, it's up to you to tell your chatters this. And how do you do that? By using SOPs. This is the one we use. I'm in the middle of updating at the moment, so you'll see it's a little scattered, but anyway, it's just going to look something like this, an SOP for your chatters. So you're going to show them, you have to, when you hire VAs, you have to assume that they're really dumb. I'm not saying they are dumb, but I'm saying when you're designing SOPs, you have to just assume the worst and think, if I have never used this software before, what guide would I need to read? You have to assume that, because so many times we've designed SOPs, I say we, but I have designed the SOPs, and you just assume that they'll know this because it's a simple step, you know, it's easy to log in but anyway, and then you just get the weirdest messages sometimes. So when designing SOPs for chatters or any VAs, just assume the worst, all right? So anyway, it's the first thing you want in the SOP is to show them how to log into the CRM, usually Inflow. Here, have screenshots, just make it for dummies, all right? And then you get the chatter to study the model's personality. This is important because all chatters have to look consistent across the model's account. Otherwise, subscribers will get suspicious, especially if they have a conversation one night with one chatter and they're used to a model talking a certain way. And then, I don't know, a week later, they have another conversation, but it's different chatter and they talk totally different. They will pick up on this. I know because I have experienced this the hard way. All right. So anyway, so you will show in the SOPs the model's personality traits for the model that they will be chatting for. So each SOP will be tailored toward the model that the VA or chatter is essentially working for. All right. So, and then, yeah, so general guidelines, chatting with subs, just talking them how to warm them up, etc. This is what I mean. I'm just in the middle of updating it, so ignore that. And then just teach them little psychological tricks about pricing, how to wrap up the conversation, and then show them references to scripts, because you will actually include this SOP with a bunch of scripts. You'll send the whole package. You'll send them a care package, they will open it, and everything they need will be inside, and this SOP will direct them on how to use all those scripts, etc. Right? And then just usual shit that they might not know. Don't spam subs with messages if they're not responding. Like I said at the start of this video, one sexting session every 5 days, because you assume most people live paycheck to paycheck. Anyway, I'm not going to go through the whole fucking thing, all right? So you're going to show them mainly about the psychology behind chatting, along with how to use the actual software. That's pretty much it. So you're going to show them how to use the software and then the psychology behind chatting. Now, as we go down further, it will show them more about how to use the software, how to add subs to lists, etc. What I'm updating is that when I first created this SOP a few years ago, it was using Super Creator. So that's why I'm in the middle of updating it now, because we don't use Super Creator anymore. And yeah, so you just show them how to use the software, how to navigate it, and then the psychology behind chatting. Can we meet up? Now just think FAQ, frequently asked questions, except regarding interactions that they can have with subs. Think that when you're designing SOPs, think what will be a frequently asked question that would be asked with different scenarios regarding chatting. Now, this only works if you start off chatting yourself. When you're first starting your agency, you have to chat yourself. Otherwise, you won't know what to teach other chatters. If you jump in and just start outsourcing everything straight away, you're going to have a lot of issues, except you won't know where the bottlenecks are because you haven't done these things yourself. So you have to start off chatting. I can't emphasize how important that is, because once you know how to chat, then you can teach your other chatters how to chat, and you're not at the mercy of what they have been taught by previous agencies, or they might not have even worked with an agency before, so they might be just totally green. and then it's up to you to make just absolute selling machines, right? But anyway, I'm not going to go over this whole thing. As I said, you're just showing them in the SOP how to use the software and the psychology behind the chatting, and then some frequently asked questions that they might frequently encounter while dealing with subs. And as I said, you will only know the questions that they might have when you have been chatting yourself. Right. So anyway, as usual, if you like the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.